guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Super excited that you made it here today. Today we are going to be doing this really springy inspired neutral eye look with a pop of color on that lower lash line. Super good title, Taylor. Really excellent. I'm working on it. I'll maybe shorten it, maybe not. Anyways, it's basically just your very neutral, typical eye look with a surprise inside. And I chose teal, but you can pretty much choose any color you want for this pop of color. Just the technique is the same. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to see how to get this look, please keep watching. Alright, let's jump right into this tutorial. So, I have a couple things here that I'm going to be using today. The first things that I'm going to be using, I want to kind of dip into these because I haven't tried them yet, are the Pixie Beauty eyeshadow palettes. They're new ones. We have the Natural Beauty palette, which I really like. I'll probably take this to travel with me this weekend, or I'll have already traveled when you see this video. But it looks like this, just super neutral with really pretty shimmers. And then, which you guys know is right up my alley. And then this one is called Reflex Light. If I can open it. And it's all shimmers, but they're really beautiful. I think this like section of 6 right here will be super pretty for spring. These definitely have fall vibes for me, but I'm really excited to dip into these full spring. And then my Zodiac Love palette, because it's one of my all-time favorite palettes from BH Cosmetics. I'm going to probably be using this teal section down here because I want to do a pop of color on my lower lash line today. So I'll probably use that teal section. Anyways, those are the palettes we're going to be dipping into today for this really fun neutral eye with a pop of color. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to obviously start with my Natural Beauty palette. So I'm going to take this neutral skin tone colored shadow and swipe it all over my eye. This is one of the matte shades. I did cut my hair. I haven't finished styling it, so it looks a little crazy at the bottom. I literally just cut like 3.5 inches off my hair. So it was dead, and it looks so much healthier now. Okay, I'm going to use a fluffy blending brush to kind of dip into this transition-y shade here. It's not fully matte. They're really more satin. That works still. Just taking your time blending that out. I'm going to go in with a smaller shader brush with this cool shade. We're not bringing anything under the eye because that's where we're going to do our pop of color. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of a smaller shader brush and this dark brown here at the bottom. And I'm winging it out just slightly. That's a really good base. I want to darken it up a little bit more. We don't have a dark matte shade, so I'm gonna try to go in with this shimmer shade and see if I can just layer on top of it. Pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna dip into my Zodiac palette with this dark color here and just continue darkening up that outer corner just a little bit. Okay, I feel like that's dark enough now. Super pretty. So I feel like this looks dark enough now, and I'm going to pull out my other palette, the Reflex Light palette, and use a mix of this cream and pink shade. I'm not going to cut crease it, I just want it to be a little bit softer than that, especially since we're going to have such a bold lower lash line. So first I'm dipping into that cream shade. Okay, so after I put that on, that's really pretty, I'm going to dip my finger into the pink shade and just layer it over top. Yes, so pretty. It almost gives it a duochrome kind of effect, where it shifts golden pink. So pretty. Okay, so once we have this done, now it's time to have some fun with our lower lash line. So first, I want to kind of smoke this lower lash line out with the matte teal. I'm just using a short shader brush. That's so pretty. Very springy. Just kind of bringing that underneath that wing so it kind of elongates the lower lash line. Okay, so now that we have that really, really pretty green, I'm going to take the same brush and dip into the shimmer counterpart to that teal and just layer it on top. It didn't really work, so I'm going to switch gears here and use another flat shader brush to see if I can kind of pack that shimmer in a little bit more. Well, I feel like that's really gorgeous. So I kind of love how that looks, so I'm going to stop while I'm ahead before I do something and make myself hate it. I'm not going to add that chrome paint, and I don't think I'm going to add liner. We're just going to go straight in with lashes. I just feel like it looks so good. For lashes, I am going to be using my Lashaholic Luxury Lashes in Instaglam. They're really pretty, and they're dramatic without being too dramatic, if that's even a thing. Okay, so I'm gonna hop off, pop these lashes on, and come right back to finish lips and this makeup look. I don't know why I stopped it like that. Alright, so I'm going to throw on my lipstick now that I have my lashes and my hair done. Look is coming together, baby. I'm using my Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Caramello. Okay, so that's just a really pretty nude liquid lipstick. So guys, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Hope that you learned something new and cool today. It is a pretty simple look. Very basic techniques are used, so you can create it with pretty much any eyeshadow palette and colors that you've got. I love the pop of teal for spring. I know that it's still snow outside my house and like 20 degrees, but I'm willing spring to be here with this eye look, so what are you gonna do? So anyways, guys, let me know what you want to see next in the comments below. If you have any requests, happy to oblige, so drop them in the comments. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe and like this video. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye, guys!